start the work and I have no authority to stop the work. Okay, it is the authority who has given him permission. They who are going to decide in this issue after going to the papers and documentation. I have come here to see as a law and order issue and which we are looking at.
तर पयर तुम्ही आणलेले तुम्ही एश्युरन्स दिल्ले
Yeah, I have spoken to the deputy collector in this regard to address the issue what these people are having. Or some villagers they are having issue that there is some trespass of his property and railways have encroached into the property. So these issues has to be checked by the revenue authorities, not by the police.
सो तुम्ही कळयले त्यांका
We have informed the deputy collector revenue authorities that these are the issues of the local villagers which needs to be addressed on urgently on priority basis.
सो कितें एश्युरन्स सांगला
Yes,
तेंच्यानी
they have said that they are going to look into the matter, and they are going to conduct a site inspection. This was assured to me.
आता केन्ना दिन आसतली
So now, since he is busy with some work, and I have been informed that once he is going to get time and appropriate time will be informed, and on that basis, on that day, he is going to come and conduct the site inspection.
Based on the assurance given by Amgalo DYSP of Saliman, now they permanent till the next meeting with the deputy collector, locals and the officials, work काम हुई बंद असले. So with his assurance, crowd is moving now. We are leaving with assurance given by the DYSP.
But despite assurance, deputy collector failed to reach here.
That is his failure. No, what we can say. End of the day, I have told Salim Sahib को सांगला है, by heart you are with the locals, Goinkar म्हणून, but with uniform you are with the government. That shouldn't be there. Actually, then Goinkara interest, but Sarkar end of the day is a government servant. He has to listen to whatever orders it comes from the higher ups. But very sad की आमी आमगेले हे गोंयकारपण आहा ते आमकां म्हाका दिसता थोडे तेंपान आम काबार जातले. ताका लागून हांव मागता सगळ्यां कडेन आमी एकठांय जाया, आज 16 एरी सांकळी या माधवी वाचप आनी तेच फाटल्यान लोकल गो 16th आनी पोत्तून आमगे हे बंद करया. आतां तरी बंद करना जाल्यार येत्या जनरेशन म्हाका दिसता आमकां कस करतले बाबा हे कोडसो धूळ हान पयशे करतले आमगे गोंयकार लोक मतले.
कलेक्टरान एश्युरन्स दिले की जे इलिगलिटीज चलता आनी जे पंचायतीन सोकोज नोटीस काडलेले तेजेर तो सायड इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक येतलो म्हणून, पण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली ही डीड नॉट कम. So we brought the officials here of the police officials to show that here also similar thing is being done like it is done in another site.